front of them.
Do you have anything on you?
Newly released body camera footage shows the arrest of a teacher accused of having an inappropriate sexual relationship with an underage student on multiple occasions inside her classroom. The disturbing allegations have now led to an investigation and criminal charges. And let me tell you, this body camera footage is deeply disturbing. During the encounter, the teacher allegedly spoke openly with deputies about the accusations against her. Her statements reportedly provided investigators with important information about what they were looking into, making the footage a significant part of the case. Not only is this body camera footage disturbing because the teacher is accused of having an inappropriate sexual relationship with an underage student on school property, but court records also allege that she told the student she would leave her husband for him once he turned 18. The teacher, according to the records, was 37 years old at the time.
A little bit further if you can. I'm going to start with your hair, okay? Mm-hmm. Get broad.
Yeah.
The teacher being searched in the high school hallway is Heather Mashburn Smith, who taught English at Port Charlotte High School in Florida. Deputies were called to the school after a message was reportedly sent through an app that allows parents to communicate with school district staff. According to investigators, the message raised allegations that Mashburn had engaged in sexual activity with a student.
Okay.
Deputies are seen entering the classroom with Mashburn as they begin investigating the allegations. Investigators also speak with the 17-year-old student, who reportedly told them that Mashburn had engaged in sexual conduct with him twice inside her classroom. According to the student's account, their interactions became inappropriate after he was added to a Snapchat group chat involving Mashburn and a friend. He reportedly told Mashburn that he thought she was attractive, after which she allegedly asked him to come to her classroom to talk about the messages. Deputies then turn their attention to Mashburn. After reading her Miranda rights, they begin questioning her about the allegations, and what she tells them becomes a major part of the investigation.
You just show us where in the room the sexual activity took place.
Yeah. So,
Without trying not to touch anything, I realize it's been a while, like 9 days or so. But
it felt farther back here, but these desks might have just been moved farther this way. But I feel like it was these desks.
okay. And just for the record, after the sexual activity occurred, you had wiped these desks down with Clorox.
Just this one
That one.
and like the floor area, but I don't know why everything seems so different. It seemed like it was like more here that it happened,
Okay.
not here.
Okay.
So I think everything shifted a little bit.
Might just get slid.
Everything slides a lot during the day because the kids don't push their chairs out; they push
Right.
the desk forward. So the desks get moved around a lot. But I think these might have just been moved farther because I don't. Originally, I was thinking it was those, but that doesn't make sense to me.
Okay.
So I'm pretty sure it was these ones.
And is this the one where he had just put the in, or is this okay? And then where else? Where was the other actual?
Like right here in a chair.
What the chair? Or like, would it be a student chair?
Yeah, it was just a random chair.
Okay, so it's not this one that's pointing right there towards
No.
towards the mirror.
Okay. All right. And which? So I know you stated you were on top of him. Were you facing or facing away?
I was facing him.
Facing him, and were you facing just back
So
wall,
I was-
side wall?
I was facing this way and he was facing that way. The chair was facing that way.
Okay.
So I was
Okay.
like sitting on top of him.
Okay. And then regarding the digital and the where would that have happened?
Everything happened right here.
Kind of right in this same area.
Mhm.
Okay. Were these desks always involved? Like you're just leaning on, or?
I mean, I guess you can say sometimes we leaned on them, yeah. But, I mean, as far as the intercourse goes, this was the desk
Okay.
I leaned back on.
And was the desk, I assume, oriented the same way, although maybe slid over?
Slid over.
Okay. And did you lay on it from the front this way, from the back this way, or from the side?
This way.
Okay. Okay. And he would have stood here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. During the actual sex part.
So, I'm going to pause the video here. Mashburn is explaining to deputies where the alleged misconduct took place inside her classroom, and investigators are documenting her account in detail. Some of the information is too sensitive to include here, so we'll pick up the footage after she finishes describing what allegedly happened.
And where were you waiting for whenever you guys would coordinate to be in the class? After planning period or after his football?
Just at my desk.
Just at your desk?
And then, when he would come from football, there was like once or twice where I put a book in the door so that he could just come in. But all the other times he had to knock and I had to let him in. So I would have to walk over to the door to let him in.
Okay.
And it's not like I let him in and we just like went right to it or anything. Like,
No, you guys,
would hug and talk and
Kissing and all.
Yeah.
The whole night.
like I said, it was not premeditated sex.
Okay, similar to what we did with that interview, the second interview after you've written the letters and stuff, I'm just going to ask you a couple of questions. First of all, did we promise you anything?
No.
Are you here giving this information of your own free will?
Yes.
Okay. Did we make any threats or coercion of any kind? Okay. And you understand that you're still under oath and everything that you told us is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Is that true?
Yes.
Okay. And you've already been advised of your rights, is that true?
Yes.
Okay, all right. And just final recap, everything that you told us in here has been information that you freely and voluntarily gave, understanding your rights.
Yes.
Okay, all right. All right, cool, that's it. All right, we're gonna go ahead and head back. You can keep going.
I used to do some writing to clear my thoughts after sometimes when things would happen.
Okay.
And I might have like a piece of writing in a folder on my desk. Am I allowed to get that? Because I don't want like a student or a teacher or something coming across.
where would it be?
I won't touch it, but I'll show you. And there's a folder here, like right here.
Is this the
where-
dark colored folder?
Yeah.
Okay. And you think that has...
There's
that might
nothing
have
like
something-
graphic in it, but it's just like thoughts that I would write as if I were writing to him.
Okay.
But I never,
To
but I would never like give it to him. Like I really just want to throw it in the trash. It's not anything that.
The deputies asked a lot of questions. The woman is answering all the questions one by one.
What were you thinking?
I just don't
No,
want someone
but,
to come
I mean,
across it.
It's hers. So, do you want to, in our presence, do you want to open that folder and show us what you're talking about?
Yeah.
Adam?
I just stuck it in here because I thought it would be.
Are these pages the ones that we're talking about?
These right here. Yeah. This stuff that I wrote. I write in my spare time, so it's not.
You're an English teacher,
Yeah. So,
Okay.
am I allowed to keep these or dispose of them or?
May I?
Yeah. It's not something I even said I don't think I'll ever give them to you.
So they were to him, just
Yeah,
regarding
but,
what your feelings
but like
were?
not. It was to him.
I understand.
But not to him.
I get it.
like a diary.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So, we are not just gonna leave these here, but I can't just let you take them away, okay? They're gonna fall under the search warrant, okay? So, for now, we're just gonna leave them right here, but I assure you, we're not just gonna leave them for students or staff members to find, okay? We'll take them, we'll seize them, and that'll be part of it, okay?
Okay.
Is there anything else that you can think of that's in here that might be something that you don't want other people stumbling across? There were no toys or anything that were used during the whole time? Nothing like that? Okay. Just something I figured I'd ask. Like,
Yeah.
you never know. Okay.
I mean, my desk is full of trash, but
I'm not worried about trash. Just something that, we don't want
I mean,
people...
full of papers and just like, I'm sure there's confidential stuff in there, but nothing about him.
Okay. All right.
There's definitely confidential, like, stuff, but nothing that has to do with him.
When you say confidential stuff,
Like student-related things and
anything that would be criminal in nature?
no, just like stuff that we're not supposed to let other students see. Like,
I see. Okay.
yeah,
But that's stuff that school administration could handle.
yeah,
Correct.
yeah, and then just personal items and things.
Okay. All right. Well, we're not. So we're gonna step out here at this point. We're gonna step out to the hallway, please. We're not gonna be taking anything out of here other than it's not the time for personal.
Shelf, I know the microwave. Back shelf on the mic. I just wanted you to point. I know he's still talking, but so there was some. What's?
Oh yeah.
Okay, I just yeah.
Yeah, she told us.
Yeah, I know. That's why I was like.
It appears Mashburn is being fairly forthcoming with investigators, even when it comes to messages she says were deleted from her computer. In the next part of the body camera footage, she returns to her classroom and opens her email while deputies watch. She then puts the messages up on a projector screen, allowing investigators to review the conversations she says she had previously deleted. Mashburn continues showing the deputies the information and provides it to them as they work to piece together the timeline and understand what happened.
This is the IP.
Can you scroll up? All right, so I see it's from Hi, and the email address assigned to it is the message states, "I know it's bro. And this came through Parent Square, sent via a form on the Port Charlotte High School website. Parent Square is not responsible for the contents and assumes no liability for the message." And you had put this message in trash, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Are you willing to forward this message to the Charlotte County Sheriff's Office?
Yes.
Okay.
Take my email.
Yeah.
Here, I have a card. It's easier to type. I have 2 last names. So just the email address.
Perfect. Not at this time. I don't have any to compare it to. Correct. And a time frame. Not the specific date, but it's been like 2 weeks.
Does that look right?
Yep, that's it. Fair enough. So, thank you. Alright. And that was the only thing you need to show us?
Yeah, let me just make sure I haven't gotten anything else weird. Oh, here's another one.
Alright, this one is, so this is from phone 1, message, why boys bra, submitted from IP address 172.56.18.98, comma, 10.0.10.59, sent through the same application form on the Port Charlotte website. Can you forward that as well? To the same address?
Hopefully it's saved, so you don't have to type all of it. Oh.
There, you put a T in between the F and L.
Oh.
Yeah.
Good.
Yep. Okay.
And then
If you would.
I could check my, I guess, wardrobe clutter, but I don't think, yeah, there's nothing weird in here.
If you would just go ahead and lock the computer then.
Yeah, can I just log out of it? Is that okay?
Or
like
rather, you
close
can
it.
just lock it down.
Okay.
Whatever you had, however you found it is how I prefer you to leave it.
Okay.
The alleged victim told deputies that he felt the relationship with Mashburn was wrong. According to his statement, the inappropriate relationship continued for roughly 4 to 5 weeks. Investigators also say Mashburn told them that the student made her feel special and desired. The student reportedly said he was the one who tried to end the relationship. He also alleged that Mashburn told him she was unhappy in her marriage and wanted to leave her husband to be with him once he turned 18. The student further told deputies that Mashburn became angry when he wanted to end things. After hearing the allegations and gathering information from both sides, deputies eventually placed Mashburn in handcuffs.
You want to keep your sweater on and give me a call?
If that's okay.
Okay, yeah, just roll up your sleeves then. That's all I was gonna ask, is just so, yeah, just roll up your sleeves. Alright, just turn around for me.
5-5.
It's not gonna be very comfortable.
You still talking? Okay.
This one's a little tight. Yeah, I heard you. Give me 1 second, sorry.
Something from like, well,
You didn't go through. Oh, did, oh. Look. You there?
Senator from like, well, please add Wi-Fi 139.
Good.
Who's primary on the 15? Those two, or just show them to the 15 also.
Fernandez is primary.
Second from like, so Wi-Fi 15 also.
Can you roll my sleeves?
Well,
Sure.
Fernandez will be his 10-15. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's roll.
I'm just taking my stuff.
451 for you.
Oh,
451, got it.
Come on, get back.
He is handcuffed and taken to court. He is being taken to court. In the next clip we see him being taken to a car.
hey, if you want to hang tight in here, I'll pull my car through this gate. Because there's football practice and stuff going on. Crime scenes here also. Grab them seatbelts on there too, would you?
Yep. Is that okay? And once you get moving, you'll get a little bit more air back here too.
Heather Mashburn Smith was arrested on April 29 and charged with unlawful sexual activity involving a minor. The charge was upgraded to a first-degree felony because of her position as a teacher. Following her arrest, the Charlotte County Public Schools superintendent said the allegations were a serious violation of the responsibility educators have to protect their students. The school district placed Mashburn Smith on administrative leave while the investigation and legal proceedings continued. The Charlotte County Sheriff also strongly condemned the alleged conduct, emphasizing that teachers are expected to be trusted mentors who protect and guide their students. He praised the major crimes detectives for responding quickly, investigating the allegations, and making the arrest. According to court records available at the time of this recording, Mashburn Smith remained in the Charlotte County Jail. Her case management hearing was scheduled for August 25. The case remains ongoing, and the allegations have not been proven in court.